Hello all. This tutorial will help you to understand the concept and use of the view range setting and underlay. View range is a set of horizontal planes that control the visibility and display of objects in a plan view. First, to adjust the view range setting. Step 1. Click View Range from Properties palette. If this is deactivated, check your view template and click View Range from the template. Step 2. You define the ranges by adjusting the offset value. Step 3. You can see the sample view range for better understanding by clicking Show button. Step 4. Click OK to apply. For more information about view range, please visit this page. Underlay is a function to understand the relationship of components at different levels for coordination and construction. Next, to apply underlay. Step 1. Open the second floor plan. Step 2. Click Range, Base Level and change the level that you want to look at below. Step 3. Click Range, Top Level and change the level that you want to look up. Step 4. For floor plans, the underlay orientation should be look down. For RCPs, the underlay orientation should be look up. Once the underlay function is activated, you can see the gray lines. You are not able to click nor edit the underlay items. This function is only for the working process. If you do not need the underlay items, please check None on Range, Base Level to deactivate the function. For more information about view range, please visit this page. I hope this tutorial helps you to understand the concept and use of the view range setting and underlay. Thank you.